what is Cash Juice? Now, Cash Juice is not a new platform. It's been around since 2018, but quite honestly, guys, it's the first time I have heard of it, the first time I've been introduced to it, and I actually truly love it. So, this is some of the accolades to what Cash Juice is. It's pretty much a platform that allows you to learn and grow, and it is a lead generated kind of a platform that you could use for free and actually earn money with it as well. So, Cash Juice is a social media traffic building kind of site. It's like, think about it like Facebook. You know, you go on Facebook and you post things and you're trying to get traffic. You go to these free sites on Facebook and you try and post things and get no response. No one's looking at your link. Cash Juice is kind of like the Facebook for the marketers. This is a place where marketers are coming to be social, post things about their business, and act really like Facebook, but without all that extra noise. Now, I don't know about you. I don't do too much on Facebook because I find it very distracting when you go on there. There's just so much things to see of a whole different variety of stuff. So not only are you inundated with business stuff, but it's also other social stuff that, you know what, it just clouds your mind and take you off the task at hand of what you're trying to do. So Cash Juice is a social platform for marketers that come on there to learn, grow, post things about business. So you could go on here and get a whole lot of tips, see how other things people are doing their business, get ideas of what tools and systems people are using, and just see what the business world is using to really propel their business. So Cash Juice is really fantastic for that. So if you're on the other social media platforms out there trying to, post in these free sites, not getting any traction, definitely look at Cash Juice as an option that you could actually come here and learn some stuff and actually gain some really great leads, because all these people on here are definitely business minded people who are in the make money online space. So I'm just going to take you my back office. I just started Cash Juice. I'm just going to show you kind of the features and some of the things that it does, so you can get a sense of what it is. And then, you know what, if this sounds like a fit for you, you could definitely, sign up for free. It's a free marketplace that you could actually be social and actually gain leads with. So this is what Cash Juice looks like. That's Logan. This is me in my back office. I've actually signed in. But what I'm going to show you is the dashboard. So this is my dashboard. You get a dashboard in Cash Juice, which is really awesome. You could just see what's happening. So I've been able to gather 18 followers and get 57 hits to my link. And now I'm in position 43. So those are kind of like my stats, and which is a great thing. When you're marketing, you definitely want to have a way to see how your marketing is going. And this is a great tool to really see, if you're trying to do something new and try something new to see how it's working. So definitely love that about Cash Juice, that it has the stats things, whereas other social media, they don't give you stuff like this so you can track how things are going. Cash Juice is different in that sense. It's a social media platform that operates like on the same principles like Facebook and operates, but it definitely is designed for marketers to get the information out there. So I'm actually going to go into my stats. And when you come in, it's really a simple platform to use. You just sign up, create a profile, put a link in there if you want a link in your profile, so when people click on it, they can see the kind of business you're doing or see whatever you want them to see. So let me go in my stats and show you some things. So you can see my stats here. I just really started, and already today is the 7th of January, and I already had 23 unique visitors to my link. Now, I don't know about you, but if you're going to Facebook and you post on one of those group sites, you don't get any traction to your links. And you don't even know who's clicking on your links, right? I mean, these people could be the tire kickers clicking on your links. But this platform, whoever is coming here is definitely marketers. So when marketers, people are in business before, they understand this stuff, they click on your link, they are interested in something, right? And something sparks an interest with them. You don't need to convince them that they should join it or get involved with it. They'll definitely do their due diligence process and get involved. And when you have a marketer get involved in your business could grow so much more exponentially than you could do by yourself trying to get tire kickers to join your business. So this is definitely a platform that if you're doing anything on Facebook, was thinking about doing stuff on Facebook, but you know what, you just don't want to put yourself out there like that, then this platform is a platform you could definitely remain kind of behind the scenes if you want to, because you're not blasting yourself out there for the general public to find you and see what you're doing. This is really just for marketers. So you can see already I have 33 hits to my link and not doing anything special apart from, doing stuff that's socially on the platform. So you could definitely come here and post like memes or post pictures, motivational pictures, um, kind of the same stuff you would do on Facebook. We could actually come here and actually get some real results and traction and activity happening with business, with marketers seeing your content and actually responding to it. So that's the neat thing I'm really excited about, being a new person on the platform, already getting hits to my link and not doing anything majorly crazy. Although there is some stuff to do that I'll definitely show you. Now, there's also different stats that show you what kind of league. You could see there's some really, I mean, look at this, 2.9 million referral hits. That's some serious traffic, right? That's some serious stuff that's happening on a person's link. So if you could actually come here, engage in the platform, get some hits like this to your link, what would that do for you, right? I mean, these people on the platform, just like you, they're no different, and they're getting hits to their site. So I'll show you something else. You could see the followers that you have. You could definitely, create the followers you want. So let's say you're in a particular country, you want followers from that country. There's literally in this space people from all different um, parts of the world are in this platform. So whatever country you could think of, I've seen just about every country there is in this platform. So you could come on in here and find people who are in your niche, people who are in your country that you could definitely, follow and become socially engaged with, and they could become engaged with you to actually move your business forward. Now let's show you something else, league position. Now I want to show you that. That's a cool thing. So league position is pretty much comparison of how popular you're on the site in a sense. So I just started, and it says the leagues are updated every 10 minutes. I just started, and I'm number 43, I think it said. Now, look at all these other folks, right? You could definitely become a member in the league. And once you have some popularity, that's the name of the game with making money online and actually becoming a marketer is getting eyeballs onto your sites. And popularity is something that definitely helps you. So once you become more popular on a site that you're marketing, you definitely have a lot more people looking at your links, and that's how you're able to rack up some serious hits. So if you are looking for a new free traffic site that you haven't heard of and want something new in your arsenal, definitely look at Cash Juice. It's the new It's not new, but it's new to me, and it probably is new to you as well. It is something I've never heard of, never seen it, but yet it's been giving people traffic for it since 2018. So about 2 years now it's been out and still going strong. So if you're looking for a new traffic source this year, definitely check out this Cash Juice. I'm gonna leave my link below so you can definitely check it out. It's a very simple platform to get involved with. You sign up, it walks you through. It didn't even have the plan. The plan kind of walks you through the steps of how you could actually use the site very well to, move your business forward. So if you're looking for a new traffic source, this is another great one that I found you could definitely add to your arsenal here. I am going to send out some information about how you could join this in the link below. But also, in addition to that, what I want to do is do something special for folks who are looking to, really expand their traffic sources. And I'm actually going to pair it up with giving you some bonuses so you could check out Cash Juice, use it, and actually get some results from it. Because in this year, definitely want to help a lot of people with their marketing. And this I found is another great avenue for you to get free traffic. So here's the bonuses I'm going to get if you actually join Cash Juice with my link below in the description there, or wherever you see that link, if you join Cash Juice with me, I'm going to give you a training video to show you how you could set up your profile to actually get hits. Now, typically when you do anything, you're not quite sure what the best way is until you do some trial and error thing, and then you figure it out. And some people never figure it out or what to do. So this, I'm going to cut through the chase here, give you the quick steps of how to set up a great profile so you could actually start getting traction in Cash Juice. The next thing is I'm going to give you 5 free traffic sites to use. And these are the same sites I'm using to drive traffic to my Cash Juice business, to other links. And actually, Cash Juice is not even a business, just it's a free marketing site. But you know what? When you start getting free traffic, you want more free traffic, and other people want more free traffic. So if you create an environment where you're helping people, you have something in your arsenal to help someone, you're going to get some popularity and people are going to remember you. So I'm going to give you 5 free traffic sites that you can use personally. But in addition to that, you'll have some free traffic sites that if, someone is looking for material, sites, whatever it might be, you could actually help them to advertise well, and you also put yourself in a position that they'll remember you in your business. So I'm going to give you those 5 free traffic sites that I'm using and show you how I'm using them to build my business. In addition to that, I'm going to give you 2 powerful ads that I personally use to attract members to whatever traffic sites that I have. And the reason I use different traffic sites and post on there, and it's a psychological thing that once I explain this to you and actually show you, you're gonna really realize how marketing is done online, and just realize sometimes that what your business is could really be enhanced if you're giving away something free. The other thing is I'm going to give you 5 things you could use to attract members on Cash Juice. So here's the thing: you're going to be on Cash Juice and you're going to try and promote your business. But if you've listened to any of my other videos about marketing online, I kind of explained that there's a psychology to marketing when you're on different platforms. That, when you're on different platforms, you have to cater to what the people on the site are wanting. And if you don't do that, then you're not able to, in a sense, siphon the traffic off from that site into whatever you want them to look at or whatever you want them to do. So what I'm going to give you is 5 things you could use to attract members on Cash Juice. So you could actually get members on Cash Juice to actually pay attention to you, so you could actually introduce your business to them. So if you're looking at, Cash Juice, I've kind of given you a little overview of what it is. If it sounds at all interesting, just go ahead, get a free account with Cash Juice, a really simple process. I'm going to give you a link below that you could actually use to sign up for Cash Juice for free, and it's right there. When you click it, it's just going to allow you to go to the site, and it's just going to allow you to sign up. You'll see my name there. You could go ahead and sign up for free, and that's it. Simple process, you're in. And then just reach out to me. I'll put a link in the description as well, how you could contact me, how you could reach me to actually get these bonuses, because I definitely want you to have these bonuses so you could start getting some activity happening in your business, because there's nothing more better than when your business is growing, you're happy about things, you're making money online. That's the kind of people I want to be surrounded by. So if you're interested in getting traffic for this year, definitely check out my link below. Go to Cash Juice, sign up, send me a message, follow me on Cash Juice. Let me get you some awesome bonuses that, you can get these for free and you're signing up for something for free. So a win-win all the way around.